Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18-foot by 48-inch steel pro pool set with accessories. This complete above-ground pool set includes the pool, a cartridge filter pump, ladder, pool cover, ground cloth, and maintenance kit. It's easy to set up, and thanks to the rust-resistant steel frame and heavy-duty PVC and polyester 3-ply side walls, you know it'll last for years to come. The kit includes a 9-foot pool vacuum and pool skimmer that will clean out the dirt and debris inside your pool. Product benefits: side walls and the wall band are built of Tritech material to resist wear and stand up to all weather conditions. Antimicrobial filter with ChemConnect system to fight off mold and algae growth while regulating chlorine. Includes multiple adapters for connections to all Bestway pools and filter systems. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.